today I want to show you how to do a whole elephant with his little baby. I think it'll be really sweet. I want to show you a picture that my niece did, Autumn. How cute is that? I love it. It's a little giraffe. I just wanted to show you that because it's so cute. Really, really cool. So send me in your drawings when you do them because they're so lovely to look at. So all you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, let's go. So what you want to do is you want to think about almost like a rainbow, but a jacket potato. So we can do a jacket potato, and the rainbow aspect is the top of the jacket potato. So just think jacket potato, leave a little bit of room there because we need to do the head. Then what we want to do is we're going to do the legs, and if you think about an elephant, it's kind of got quite, what's the word, wrinkly legs. So if we think about it, just touch that bit there of the elephant, and you're going to go down, then you're going to go, so it's like he's got a wobbly line for a leg, and then we're going to go inside the jacket potato now, and we're going to go. So just think about a shape that's a little bit like a J. I don't know if it's like a J. It's not a straight line, it's like whoop whoop. Then you're going to go, wee, and this is his little foot. So what you're going to need to do now is get your rubber and just rub out this line. You don't need this line anymore. Goodbye line. Okay, then we want to do the other leg. Now the other leg's going to go somewhere here. Like if you think about where this leg is, think about where this leg might go down. So we're going to just go down to about there. And then it doesn't have to be that thick. It could be just this size because it's only the bottom bit of the leg that we're really looking at. Then we get down like that. And now you don't have to worry about his foot. You could do that if you like, but you don't really need to worry because he's in, or she is in the ground. Like the foot's going to be on the ground. Then you're going to touch here. And I want you to go up, down. So go up, down, and we're going to rub out this bit here. So we'll do the rubbing as we go along because it might be a little bit easier then. Okay, so that's the start of his tummy. I always say a he when I'm drawing an animal, I don't know why. Now, you know this line here? We're going to go down. Can you see how I've done it a wobbly line? So it's wobbly, wobbly. Then you're going to do straight line. And that is going to be the back leg. So you touch the back of the jacket potato and you go down, then you go this way. So it's almost as though the leg's leaning out, but there's another leg attached. So it's going to go here, just here, and go whoa, and then. Now, because the elephant's on the ground, I'm just going to do this. Do a piece of like ground that touches all of the hooves, I suppose you could call it. Elephant hoof, is it a hoof? The foot. Here is where you've got to rub out as well. So we're just going to rub that out because you don't need that anymore. So get your rubber and rub it away. There we go. Try and rub it out better than me. I'm sure you can if you've got an actual rubber. Would look probably better than this. Now, what we're going to do is have a little tail for the elephant. So, kind of like that. It's quite a small tail, so it doesn't really matter how you draw it. Then what I want to do is the face. Now, his body isn't quite like that because what they've normally got is a little lump. So just do like a little lump and go down. So little lump somewhere in the jacket potato. Then you go into the jacket potato. And then round like that. So what it is, it's almost like a strange muh. Try and do that, and then we're going to rub out what we don't need. So we're going to rub out in there and in there. Now what you want to do is create an ear, but we're going to do the face first. So touch that line there, and you're going to go in, and then a big. That was too quick. You did like a rainbow. Down, up, and then around. This is going to be the trunk. So you're going to do a little bit there and just go like that. Because once you've done the trunk, you're going to do that. You're going to take a little line, go like that. And the best thing about this little line here is you're going to do the horns coming out. So just like a little horn. Then on the other side, he's got a little horn. Pause the video if I'm going super fast. I'm trying to do it slowly, but I always end up doing it fast. He's got a huge ear. It depends where the elephants are from. I think the African elephants have bigger ears and the Indian elephants have smaller ears, but you might have to check that because I'm not 100% sure. What we're going to do is where you've ended that, you're going to do wobbly line. Then you want to go, so this is an ear, so you could just do like that. So it looks quite realistic when you do it like that. And whatever's in that ear, or whatever's a jacket potato is, you can rub out. So we're going to rub out there. Can you see it? So there we have our elephant. We could always just do this little line and one bit there if you want to, it's up to you. And we're going to do like a little eye. So it depends how you want your eye to be. Normally elephants have like the cutest eyelashes. I want to do a baby elephant because I love baby elephants. So what I might do is just make that a bit more rounded. And then, you know what? Do that on the trunk. Right. Kind of probably just add that there. There's more in there. Right, okay, I keep saying he. I think it's a girl. Right, the baby elephant's cute. Let's just do a shape like that. So it's like a little jelly bean again. And then we're going to just touch the jelly bean and go down. So this is one leg, and you can do another leg. And then where that other leg is, you're going to go up into the jacket potato. Then here. Now whatever's in the second line that we did, so the second leg, rub out there for me. Then we're going to just do next to that, you got line, line, and we're going to rub out whatever's in there as well. So let's just try and rub away. Rub away. The whole thing's going to be rubbed away of the jacket potato once you've drawn the legs. The other leg you probably wouldn't see. It's kind of like there. 1, 2. No, it'll be in the back leg, sorry. So you don't need that one, otherwise it's got 5 legs. Okay, then the head. Now the heads of the little baby elephants are like the cutest thing ever. Just going to do a tail. So we're just going to touch the jacket potato and go down, little trunk there, and then go up, like that. And then you want to do this nice big ear. Could probably do that actually. And then you're going to do a little eye. Not sure, I don't think baby elephants have tusks yet. So we're just going to leave it at that. And there's your little baby elephant. How cute is he? You could change the back a bit and make that so it's not as rounded like a potato. You can see what I just did. And you wouldn't always see the same amount of legs as an animal has. If an animal has 4 legs, you might only see 2, or you might only see 3. So don't worry if you're thinking, he's got 4 legs, like where are they? The other leg's behind this leg, so don't worry. Yeah, let's colour it in. So I think what I'd quite like to use is maybe oil pastel. So I've got these little oil pastels here. So they're oily, you can tell if they're oily if you put white water on them, like they're not crunchy like chalk pastels. So I'm going to take, I'm tempted to do an elephant that's blue. What shall we do? Let's do a pink elephant. Let's do a pink elephant, yes. Let's do this. Or a yellow. Okay, I'm going to do a pink elephant. I'm going to take a light pink and I'm going to take a red. Okay, so the light pink, I'm going to go, and you can use anything. You can use chalk, you can use paint, whatever you want to colour your elephant in, that's completely fine by me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the trunk, not the trunk, I'm going to leave the tusks, possibly a different colour. Tempted to leave them white because they look kind of cool. What colour should I do the baby elephant, do you think? Kind of want to do him or her. Might do her. Might do her like a, yeah, do you know what? I think I will do her a pink as well. Otherwise, she'll be like, why is mummy pink? And I'm not. She could be purple though, the little one. So yes, up to you. Whatever colour you want to do is completely fine. You could even do a rainbow, an awesome rainbow elephant. So whatever works for you. Now I'm going to smudge a little bit. So it's called blending. I'm just going to blend it in. It might be a lot to blend in for your finger. So you might want to colour the whole thing so it saves you having to blend with your finger. But I'm just going to blend a little bit just in case you want to blend and you want to know how. Oh. Right, if you don't have a line around your elephant and you can't really see, if you can't really see all the different bits of the elephant, what you could do is get your red, if you've done a pink elephant, and we're going to just, you're going to outline him, her. You're going to outline the elephant in whatever colour shows up. So if you've done a blue elephant, you could outline it in a nice dark blue or a purple. So it's nice to, it's just nice to make things stand out. That's the only reason I outline it. Whoa. Okay, might go around the tusks and the tail. You see how it stands out a lot more now. Might look strange because it's pink, but I like pink. I never used to like pink, but I kind of like it now. Okay, there we have it. Elephants. My little brother, when he was younger, used to call them olephants, which is kind of cute. If you think about an elephant, they're quite wrinkly, so you could put wrinkles on her. You know, it might look quite cool to do that. So you could just put the wrinkles on the face and the ears. That would look pretty cool. And then you could maybe do some grass. You know, just some grass going like that. It could be yellow grass in the Serengeti or going through a jungle. It's up to you. Could be like on a water ledge if you like. Drinking some water, that might be cute. There's loads of herds of elephants. I've just dropped a pastel. I always drop pastels. Elephants are normally very sociable, so they normally hang around in groups. So you could maybe do that elephant, and then I've got another video of an elephant's face. Maybe you could do that next to it. You have a whole montage, like a whole picture of different elephants. So yeah, that is all you need to do. If you don't want to outline it in red, you could outline it maybe in black. It depends what look you're going for, because if it's a cartoon, then you could outline it in black. Just going to go over this with my finger because it softens the line when you go over it and it makes it look cool. There we go. David Shepherd, this famous artist, used to paint elephants from life, which just means he went to Africa or India and he decided to paint them whilst they were actually in front of him, all wild elephants. Could you imagine that? So that's pretty cool. I've got a couple of videos based on him as an artist, so maybe watch those. I think there's one that I did last week of a hippo, which is really cool. So yeah, enjoy drawing, everyone. Send me in your pictures, let me know how you get on, and I shall speak to you very soon. Probably end up drawing a cat this week. So yeah, enjoy and I'll see you soon.